Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about add table names. Let's get started. First, click and drag to select the table. Then click on the Design tab. This is the name given by Excel. You can change the name. To do that, click in the box, and then type a meaningful name. Now, the table name is created. To retrieve the table name, click on the Formulas tab. Then click on Name Manager. A pop-up box with all the names will appear. And that is the name for the table. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.